You have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4. You've had it for a while. It's starting to slow down, and you're wondering if you can speed it back up. I have two solutions for you. The second one is going to blow your mind. Watch this. This one is easy, and you can jump into settings to scroll all the way down to battery and device care. Battery and device care. Touch that, and then touch Optimize Now, and it's going to do all the things that it does automatically to make your phone run faster and get rid of stuff in the background. Now, when you're done, you can always go to storage and then go to your trash to see if you've got old videos, old pictures, that kind of thing that you can erase, clear up more memory. That will help your phone go a little faster. All right, that's strategy number one. Strategy number two is going to blow your mind. All right, this time let's go to settings this way. We're going to touch settings here, and we are going to scroll down to accessibility, which is right there, accessibility. Touch accessibility. Inside accessibility, you're going to see visibility enhancements right here. Touch this visibility enhancements. Scroll a little down, and it's these two right here. You can pause and read the details, but we want to remove animations. And this one, I don't know if it makes your phone run that much faster, but you can experiment and see if it works for your phone. Reduce transparency and blur. Now let's back out, and now let's compare. You ready to compare this one that we made the adjustments and this standard one? All right, let's just open. I'm going to open the dialer. Watch. Dialer. Did you see that? This one animates on. And this one blinked on. Now watch when I close the dialer. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. That's, oop, I missed it. All right, let's do it again for comparison. Touch and touch. So if you're someone who you're swapping back and forth between your apps, make a phone call, send a message, make a video, your phone with these adjustments of turning the animations off, your phone is going to feel so fast, almost brand new. And if you don't like it, just jump back into settings, jump back into accessibility, touch accessibility, touch visual enhancements, and then just turn everything back on, just like that, and you're done. All right, if this video has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are looking for a way to lower your cell phone bill, maybe as low as $15 per month, watch this video next. Thanks for watching.